In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to add background and overlay foregrounds on PDF. What's up, everybody? Welcome to this tutorial on how to add backgrounds and overlay foregrounds on your PDF using IronPDF. We'll start with the NuGet Package Manager screen. I've already installed IronPDF, as you can see. But if you'd like to follow along and you haven't done so, go ahead and do that with the NuGet Package Manager. We're going to go ahead and move on to our program.cs file and check out the code. In our program.cs file, we begin by setting the IronPDF license key. This key is required to use the library's features, but we're going to keep it hidden for security purposes. Next, we'll create an instance of Chrome PDF Renderer, which will handle rendering our HTML content to PDF. The first task is to render the main HTML content. We do this by calling renderer.renderHTML as PDF with a simple HTML string containing a header tag. And this creates our main PDF document. Now we need to render the background. So we define the background with HTML and CSS, specifying a cyan background color here. And this is also rendered as a PDF document. Similarly, we'll define the foreground content. So this could be an overlay or a watermark. In this case, we use an HTML header and a rotation and opacity to act as a watermark. This is rendered to another PDF document. With our main content, background, and foreground PDFs ready, we first overlay the foreground onto the main PDF using pdf.addForegroundOverlayPDF. After adding the foreground, we add the background using pdf.addBackgroundPDF. And these methods layer the PDF correctly so that the foreground contents overlay the main content and the background sits behind it. You can also add background to a specific page using this commented method. Finally, we save the combined PDF with the name background and foreground.pdf to a specified path. Next, we demonstrate how to add a background to a specific page. We start by defining HTML with different background colors for 2 pages. We then render this HTML to PDF. The main PDF is created again with simple content. We add the second page of the background PDF to the main PDF by specifying the page index. And this shows that you can add backgrounds selectively to different pages. We save this PDF as add background from page to PDF. Lastly, we'll cover how to apply backgrounds to multiple pages. We define HTML content for a document with 3 pages and render it to a PDF. We create a background PDF with a cyan color and then render it as a PDF document. To specify which pages receive the background, we create a list with the desired page indexes. Using pdf.addBackgroundPDF to page range, we apply the background to the first and third pages. We then save this final PDF as add background on multiple page.pdf. So now let's run the program and see the output. So first we have the background and foreground.pdf, and this PDF shows the main content with both the cyan background and the rotated semi-transparent foreground watermark. Next, we'll look at the add background from page 2 PDF. And here the background for the second page in our background PDF is applied to the main document. And then lastly, we have the add background on multiple page PDF. And this document demonstrates how we apply the cyan background to the first and third pages of our main content. And that's it. That's how you successfully add background and foreground images to PDFs using IronPDF. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like some more videos from us. And if you'd like to try out IronPDF, you can go to our website, sign up for the trial, download, install the package, and experience the power yourself. There's a link in the description below. Check it out.